Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to draw Tae Hyung, or also known as V from BTS. One of most famous K-pop band in the world. We're going to draw him as an anime character. Let's go guys, we can do it. First, change the background color to gray. Then, create a new layer for the rough sketch. In this phase, we need to create the guideline of the head. It helps you to draw the proportion of the head correctly. You can erase some of the guideline if it bothers you to add the details. You must pay attention of the proportion in this phase. Don't worry about the details, you can correct them later. Don't forget to use warp or distort feature if it needed. Turn down the opacity of rough sketch layer to 40% to help you see clearer. Then, add another new layer to sketch the details. When you're done, make the final check of the proportion. Correct it with warp or distort feature, to faster your creation. Now the sketch is perfect, time to make the outline. First, turn down the opacity to 40%. Then, create a new layer for the outline. You can start from anywhere you like. Don't forget, we need a small brush size for the hair. When you're done with the outline, set the layer as reference. See the image above as an example. Then, create another new layer for the mid-tone colors. Make sure to create one layer only for one color. See the image above as an example. Then, create one layer above every mid-tone's color and set them as clipping mask. That's for the shadow tone color. See the image above as an example. Repeat this step for the highlight tone. Remember to imagine where the light will come from. You do that, then the coloring is the most fun part of drawing. You can start by dropping all the mid-tone color first, or finish it one by one. There's no right or wrong in drawing. So, enjoy. That's all for today. Thank you everyone for watching and learning. And see you in the next video.